off your blindfolds. This is Allison, and if she spends 30 days chained to one of these strangers, I will give her $250,000.
Oh, wait.
But you choose which one you chain yourself to based on looks alone.
Wait, I get to pick?
Yeah, you get a pick. That granny, this biker, or the gym bro. Choose carefully, because the one chained to you at the end will have a chance to steal the whole prize.
Okay, this is hard. Only having that information, I'm gonna have to go with the middle biker.
You don't even know his name.
We'll have plenty of time to figure that out.
$250,000 decision. Let's see if it pays off. All right, here you go.
Hey, how are you
Nice
doing?
to meet you.
Bryce.
Allison.
My hands are sweaty, I'm nervous.
Oh boy. This is gonna be an interesting video. This is where you'll be living. You got your kitchen.
I don't know how to cook, but
You know how to cook?
I'm pretty good. No, I'm pretty good.
You got your living room.
love it.
Any questions?
How do I use the bathroom with this?
Just go inside, put it under the floor, and there you go. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, no. The only rules are you can't step on the red line outside or take off the handcuffs. I'll let these two strangers get to know each other.
Hey, is it a bad time to say I wish I chose Granny?
Yeah, I could be a backstabber. You have no idea.
You know the gist. We have hidden cameras covering every inch of this house, minus the bathroom. And what Allison doesn't realize is this isn't the only stranger in this video she will be chained to. And they will all have a chance to steal the $250,000 from Allison. Things are gonna get very interesting. Let's see how it goes.
Which bed's mine?
I want that one right there.
Kind of an L because that means he's closer to the bathroom.
I don't know.
I'm sitting here at the dining room. Biker man, what's your name? Bryce!
Wow.
Bryce! Biker man Bryce. He said he can cook. I just hope in the end that we split, you know what I mean?
That's what I want to happen. 100%.
Would I not steal? Strongly leaning towards stealing.
Regardless of Bryce's plan, Allison seems completely unfazed.
I genuinely have nothing to complain about. I felt like in the sky I always had something to complain about.
This is 2 times for you now?
Yeah.
She has already had that $250,000. I came here to make money.
What if I hear you sleep talk and in your dream you're like, I'm stealing the money?
Don't believe me.
I feel like Bryce is trying to make himself seem super trustworthy so that he could steal the money.
So curious how he would react, Allison decided to test him.
Run.
Run! No!
Out of context, two strangers chained together throwing things at each other sounds bad, but seeing how they're laughing, I'm gonna assume it's okay.
No!
Oh, that was a good catch.
At least they're having fun. Let's see if all of that changes in 2 days. You'll see what I'm talking about.
$250,000 is a lot of money, but I still don't think I could do it.
Yeah, I can sit here and say you're not gonna steal that money all day long. You could be lying to me and I still have to hope.
It is now time to change everything.
Ayo, ayo, hey yo, what is that? A limo?
Oh my God.
I'll tell you when to open it back up.
Jimmy?
Why you guys look like that? Why do you think there's a limo right there?
I feel like limos fit a lot of people.
Yep.
Maybe there's people.
Before I explain what's going on, does Nolan walking look awkward to anyone else?
It looked extremely awkward. I'm glad you said something.
I said there'd be a twist on day 5. Come on out.
Did indeed.
Send them out, Nolan. There's a cheerleader.
Cheerleader, let's go.
There's a pregnant woman.
Pregnant mom.
And a lawyer.
Lawyer.
Hey.
Every 5 days, Allison, you are going to be handcuffing yourself to a new stranger.
Oh, I have to pick again?
And then on day 25, I'm going to bring them all back, and you have to decide which one you can trust the most to not steal the money. You're not allowed to speak to them. You have to pick based on purely looks alone.
Oh my goodness, you would do this to me? I'm gonna be so for real. I'm really not trusting the lawyer.
Look at that grin.
And now let's talk about the pregnant woman. Obviously, pregnant women look very nice, but she also has a higher justification to steal the money from you.
I was just about to say that.
And then we have a college cheerleader. She probably has some student debt. You know how that goes.
so hard.
Or maybe that lawyer's rich. Maybe he won a multi-million-dollar case, and he doesn't even need the money.
What's in the briefcase? Is he bringing it in with him?
I actually don't know. There is a world where you go home with $0. I wire you nothing. Who's it gonna be?
I'm gonna go with the cheerleader.
The cheerleader. All right, cheerleader, come on up.
Yay! Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, my name's Allison.
I'm Skylar. Nice
to meet you.
We'll see you on day 30. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
They're gonna wanna know, have you two ever met before?
No.
Right away, there was a clear difference in camaraderie with Allison's new stranger.
We'll just be everywhere together 24/7.
Sounds awesome.
Skylar brought these eye patches.
Spa day.
I feel like everybody that comes in here is gonna tell me that they wouldn't steal and that they would split $250,000.
She's probably like, I don't trust that girl. And she shouldn't.
And with $250,000 on the line, Allison wanted to know if she really could trust her new stranger.
I have a really good idea. Let's both stand right here, stand back to back, and run away as fast as possible.
Why? Are you serious? Okay.
I'm happy they're having fun, but so far they haven't discussed the whole money thing.
We haven't really talked about trust or anything like that. I feel like it's more been like a genuine just friendship, girl time.
You know, the game is for her to trust me. So I'm just gonna kind of keep playing it like I have been. Let's go, Pirates!
And the girls were actually starting to open up to each other.
So if you won the money, like what would you plan on doing with it?
I would go to my dad and be like, I need to know how to invest in something. Let's say like I didn't make a big amount of money until I was like old. I don't know if my dad's gonna be or not. I don't know. If I wait too late, then like
You wouldn't have that experience with your dad.
yeah.
But it seemed like Skylar was almost getting too comfortable with Allison.
I only like mint chocolate chip when it's green.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's going on the pros list. She likes mint chocolate chip when it's green.
Which caused her to make a huge mistake.
One step closer to 250K. Wait, 250? Like I swear that was an accident. Ooh, I told my secret. My last secret. Oh my
She
God.
slipped up. She slipped up. Okay, wait. Stand on my knee.
Skylar's sitting in all the money she's gonna steal. Ooh. Wrong answer.
All right, we're pulling up to the house, and it's time for the day 10 twist, which is actually bigger than the day 5 one. Let's see what Allison thinks. Hey, how's it going?
Good. We actually have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
5, 6, 7, 8. Cheer for Mr. Beast. We know he's the kindest. Onward to money. Go get me.
Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. With the chain. It seems like you two are bonding pretty well. Do you think she's gonna split that money with you? All right, Sky. Here, Nolan, can you yell? Keep going, Nolan. Keep going.
If she picked you, would you steal the money? 250 grand's a lot.
Well, you know, after 5 days of getting to know each other, I'm thinking I'm gonna steal it.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I don't know if I would trust this one. Allison, are you ready to meet your new strangers?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Send out the paint.
The paint.
The red line is now gone because the next 5 days aren't going to be in this house. It's actually going to be somewhere else.
No! You're
way.
joking!
Oh my God.
I'm kind of scared to get in there, but you know what? The rules are the rules.
You should be excited.
What is that?
Whoa!
Nolan,
Let's go.
you're not going to a new house. I'm not putting you back in the sky. You'll see in a moment. In fact, we're putting Allison in a whole different video.
No way. You're joking.
No. I see the grocery store.
The grocery
and
store.
I know what's in the grocery store.
Are you talking about the grocery store where 4 people have to eat all the food in the store for $1 million?
Yeah?
That you might be joining for the next 5 days?
No way!
Wait, what?
I hear the door opening. What could it be?
I hear some chains.
How's it going, boys? I brought you 2 friends.
Hey.
Hi.
To kick this off, Sky, can I see your hand?
Yep.
While we're filming your grocery store video, we're also filming a video where every 5 days, Allison has to be chained to a new stranger.
Wait, so you're about to bring in somebody else right now?
No, it's going to be one of us. LD, it's one of us.
All right, Sky, you are free. You can head out the grocery store. Take care.
Allison. Bye, guys.
Come on over, Allison. You can ask whatever you want. You're gonna be handcuffed to one of these 4 guys for the next 5 days inside this grocery store, which, while she's here, she can help you eat food.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Anybody not want to be chained for $250,000?
What time do you wake up?
Okay, we're talking about $250,000, not what time I wake up.
I'm down with $125,000.
Oh, because you wouldn't steal the prize pool from her?
Absolutely not.
You
no.
wouldn't?
No.
Honestly, none of us would.
Does anybody yap? Anybody a talker?
I'll yap a lot.
What's your thoughts on 1?
You've been really quiet. What are your thoughts?
Are you okay?
All right, Allison, I need to know, who is it?
I'm gonna go Juan.
Juan.
Oh my God.
Okay, Juan.
Sorry, Juan.
And there we go. You're now part of their team.
Welcome home.
For the first time in our channel's history, we are merging two videos together. The Beast Multiverse.
I work blue collar, so I'm up at like 5 in the morning.
Oh, actually, you guys have something in common. You both do construction.
Yeah, I'm a heavy equipment operator.
Oh,
yeah, I
good.
tear down buildings like this.
You tear down buildings, and he builds buildings.
Let's go! Okay, this is great.
Good morning.
As part of their challenge, the grocery store contestants exercise to burn off all the food they're eating.
Okay.
And after spending 10 days in a cramped house, Allison was eager to join in.
I haven't moved this much in days.
Let me know when you want to break.
I got so much energy though.
Me all day.
We're gonna burn the most calories.
Allison also tried to help the boys eat the grocery food they didn't like.
I woke up to her juicing cauliflower. She said her family loves doing this.
There's only one ingredient.
What's the ingredient?
Cauliflower. We got this. We got this one. What the heck?
Ew, bro.
But Allison still had her own challenge to worry about, and she had to learn if she could trust another complete stranger.
If you were to win the $125,000 or possibly $250,000 if you stole,
I could tell you the truth. Never I steal anything.
never stole anything?
Never I steal it. No food, no money, nothing.
How many kids do you have?
I got six kids.
This is all literally just for your family?
Yes, that's all.
That's kind of how I feel too because my dad was recently diagnosed with dementia.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he took care of all of us. So my hope is I can go give back to them because they need it like more than I need it.
I say you that. It's good. Very good dad. And
I'm gonna tell him you said that.
Yeah, and I can give you one hug for you that, and you give it to him for me.
Okay. Juan, he does not have a bad bone in his body. He literally loves everyone. And he just reminds me of my dad. So after Juan, I got more strangers to be chained to.
How about that? How about the other two?
I trusted them. Like, I don't think that they would steal, but the goal is to find the most trustworthy.
So Juan, that just means literally be yourself.
We're a good team.
Yeah, I like it. What with you?
Hey, look who it is.
That's where my fiance went.
Hi, babe.
Moments like this, I realize just how weird our videos are sometimes. What even is this? We got Juan over here, chained to Allison, working out with my fiance. I don't know what's coming on my channel. What do you think the next 5 days will be after this?
I mean, part of me really hopes I'm not going back to that tiny house.
So you want me to destroy that tiny house?
Yeah, please. I can't.
Okay, here, I'm gonna set the chain down. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go see what I can cook up.
Cook up.
Allison, are you ready to meet your next batch of strangers?
Yes.
Send them in!
Oh no.
Oh, no?
Oh! What in the world? Oh!
That's what I'm talking about.
Allison, what you are looking at is a fighter, a cowboy, and a sumo wrestler. What do you think, Allison?
Can I take a minute to like chat with the boys?
No. Juan is now free.
Thank you, Allison.
Bye, Juan.
Allison, who am I putting it on?
I'm gonna have to go with the cowboy.
The cowboy.
All right.
Okay, stick out your right hand.
All right.
Okay.
I've never been so happy to be handcuffed before.
Any last words, gentlemen?
Bye. Love you.
Allison, it's time for the twist of the video.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Take off your blindfolds, replace them with these safety glasses.
That's always a good sign.
They haven't even turned around yet. Welcome to the next chapter of the Beast Multiverse. We're about to drop a plane on your house.
No, you're not. What?
Yep. Well, you did say you want me to destroy that tiny house.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Drop the plane.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
My goodness. That was the loudest thing I've ever heard.
Your house is now destroyed, and that's your guys' home for the next 5 days.
What just happened? You're actually joking.
You ever lived in a plane that crashed on a house before?
No.
Now we have to paint a new circle.
Dang.
Oh no, I got on my shoe! I got on my shoe! And with that, you're now sealed into the circle for 5 days. Can I get you guys anything?
I already know he's gonna say no.
Maybe an exercise bike.
Okay, I'll go get you one. I'll see you guys later.
Ready?
You ready, Jason?
Following you, Alice.
Be careful. It's like really tilted.
Holy crap.
I don't know how we're gonna sleep at all.
You know what? This isn't my first rodeo. Y'all gonna have a terrible night.
There's a slight slope.
Just a slight angle going on.
It's been a day since we dropped the plane. Let's see how they're doing.
Knock, knock.
Who is it?
It's Jimmy. Oh.
Oh, welcome.
Yeah. From the outside, it does not look this crooked. This is crazy. Is our cowboy over here getting half of 250K?
I don't know.
So if she picked you, you would split the money with her.
I mean, as of right now, I would, yes.
Yeah.
As of right now, I would.
Remember yesterday when I gave you one wish?
Yes.
Come outside.
No way.
Wow.
Is there anything else I can get you guys?
I'm really bad at like on the spot knowing because I never even think that this like.
Oh, well then you got everything you need. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, goodbye, Allison.
Nice. The chain's in the way.
You better pedal, my gosh. You better pedal.
I feel bad for dropping a plane on their house. Madge, send in the care package.
I heard you guys are hungry. Inside here, I have some Feastables.
Thank you.
First bite of a Feastable s'more.
That's real good.
Do I have any on my face?
So what were you saying you would do with the money if you won?
It would be like a kids' cowboy camp. We would have sheep for the little kids and then have junior bulls for the 13-year-old, 14-year-old.
That sounds expensive. And one thing I've been waiting for him to say and hoping he says is that he will not steal the money. But if he's not able to say that, I don't think I'm going to be able to put him above the people that I've already been chained to.
What would you do if you had a chance to win $250,000 or $125,000? We'll see what happens.
Well, with the start of day 20, it's time for Allison to pick her last stranger.
All right.
Today's day 20 for Allison, day 5 for Jason. You know what that means.
Bring out the strangers!
We have a rock star, we have a fisherman, and we have a professional basketball player.
Great option.
So Allison, who's it gonna be?
Okay, I'm going to go with the pro basketball player.
Okay!
I'm ready. Let's get it.
All right, Jason, you're officially free to go.
Hi, Jason.
Good luck to you.
Eat some sushi for me.
I will. You'll do great.
Official.
Yeah.
Oh, and one more thing, Allison. We figured you guys need a little more space, so we're gonna expand your parameters. Oh, look at that finesse.
Nice. This feels wrong. This feels really wrong.
For a second time, Allison will be going into another video with a stranger. The sequel to one of our most popular videos, where this couple is attempting to lose 150 pounds before their wedding.
Hey. Hi, guys.
Allison, this is who you've been yelling at over there. You want to give them a tour?
Yeah, come on, guys.
Welcome to your new home.
Let's go.
Allison and Bree will get full access to everything here.
Wait, it's so cute.
This is the spot.
This is nice. Can we use the shower? Y'all can use the shower. Oh my God. I thought the grocery store was gonna be the biggest twist yet. Yeah. And now I'm in another set. I feel fine. I feel great.
You got lucky.
I'm gonna teach you how to be the next female Harlem Globetrotter.
I think I'm going to have to grow about a few inches.
Yeah, I'm an inch taller than you. And then we walk. Hey. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Hey!
So far, Bree seems like a really cool person. She loves to talk, super athletic, so I think we'll have a lot of fun here.
Look at you.
I know, period.
Period, girl. You know, I don't know her that well yet, and she's already won $250,000. She's already won. At this point, she's gonna have to convince me to not take the $250.
Wow, Bree is already going for the steal. The question is, will Allison be able to sniff it out?
We did a workout this morning, and oh my goodness.
I was dying.
If you got money, what's the plan?
Family first. My aunt been homeless for a while, and I would just try to do my best to get her out that situation. Like, this isn't about me, this is about them.
Yeah! First try!
I feel like I've been myself. I'm all about vibes, and we have good vibes. We have great vibes. Like on the tennis court, each day we've gotten better. You two got it, it's all y'all.
Yeah, we're having a lot of fun here, but if Bree wants a chance at being the last person, I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more. Like if I were her, I would dig in and see where my head's at, even though it's awkward, even though it's hard.
I have a question for y'all.
What's up?
Yeah. I can't yell it, but So what do you think I need to do to get her to trust me?
Yeah, just continue being yourself and being like honest.
So you would split 100%?
Well, between us, I would have to think.
Yeah. No, and that's so valid.
What would you do?
This is up to you. It's up to you.
And with Allison's decision looming, I wanted to check in with both of them.
I've noticed she hasn't said she wouldn't steal the money.
No, I have not got the words from her, which makes me question a little bit.
What can you do to make her believe you more, trust you more?
Dang, that's a great question.
And with her time running out, our talk was the final push Bree needed to execute her plan.
I'm a competitor, and I'm about to make her know for sure that she can trust me. Fingers will be crossed. I feel like you've gotten to know me enough to know that I'm a good person and I care about people. And I never break promises. I didn't even show you this, but I literally have a tattoo that says promise. Dang. So this is me saying, I promise that I would not take money from you.
If I picked you, then it's 1,000% guaranteed.
Yes. I promise.
She's actually the first stranger to say she promises she will not steal. I do think if I pick her, it's a guaranteed win.
I have to break some promises. And this tattoo might have to go. I might have to get that removed.
But with one day until her big decision, things only became harder for Allison.
It feels unfair to the people I've been chained to that I can only pick one, and I just don't like that at all because I feel like a lot of these people I truly do trust. Guys, I'm so weak. I don't know what to do.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
This is gonna affect people's lives. And I've heard everybody's stories, and everybody's story seems so valid and stuff. So now I'm just like, oh my God.
Every choice you make will be the right choice. No decision is wrong decision, so I wouldn't worry about that aspect.
Yeah.
It is who you trust, like that gut feeling.
I'm literally just gonna go with the flow tomorrow and probably be really freaking surprised.
All right, it's the big day. Today's the day Allison decides who to trust $250,000 with.
Oh.
Just kidding. You'll have 5 days to decide.
Oh, thank God.
It'll make sense after you follow me into the limo out front.
Gosh.
Are you ready to make arguably the biggest decision of your life?
I feel like from my reaction, you could tell the answer is no.
Here's a blindfold, Allison.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Here's a blindfold. If you guys don't mind putting that on, that'd be great.
Bye. You're gonna do great.
Good luck. Let's see what she decides.
What in the world?
I'm a competitor. This is not a real place. This is a challenge. I made promises to her.
I don't know, Allison, 250K is a lot of money.
I feel like there's a right choice that is fair and makes sense.
Definitely felt not a huge connection to her at all. We're definitely two different people.
I'm so happy for her. I don't want to steal any money. I want to split it. If this is hard, I feel bad.
Everybody, take off your blindfolds.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Allison.
In front of Allison is all the strangers that she has been handcuffed to. And if you're wondering how Juan's here, it's actually because we're in the back of the grocery store. So Juan's doing 2 videos at once right now.
You know, I honestly wasn't expecting it this fast. I thought I had 5 more days.
You do have 5 more days
Oh.
to make your decision. You see, starting now, at any point, you can press this button and start sending people home, or you can take up to another 5 days to get to know them, ask any other questions you want. Oh.
Wow.
Okay. Well, there was one other thing I had to explain. But I mean, she already hit it.
Can we put that in reverse?
No. The last thing I was going to say, all 5 of them already made their decision on whether or not they would split or steal the money with you. Whoever you eliminate first will get $10,000. Here, Nolan, can you bring it in?
Huh. Oh. Okay. Nolan, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Nolan.
Whoever you eliminate second will get $20,000. Third, $30,000. Fourth, $40,000. So the order in which you eliminate them actually matters quite a bit. And why I was going to give you up to 5 days to think about it until she just hit the button.
Well, I can't take that back now. Okay.
Pliers.
Thank you. Everything's happening quick. Allison just has no patience. The fun part is, too, when I cut them, we'll reveal what their decision was.
That is fun, that is fun. Honestly, it makes me feel better knowing that every single one of you is walking away with something. I mean, at the end of the day, you guys were all here for only 5 days, and you're still getting something. $10,000 in 5 days, that is a blessing.
So is 125.
Or $250,000. This is huge for them. We can start on the left side. Did you steal the money?
I did not. We promised each other we wouldn't do it. She had the option to do it. We said we wouldn't.
Okay.
I do believe you did not steal. I 100% believe it.
Sky, did you steal the money?
No.
What about Juan? Did you steal the money?
No.
No?
One never steals.
Okay. Mr. Cowboy, what do you want to say to her?
Hey, Allison. I appreciate you trusting me.
She hasn't chosen to trust you yet.
Well, that's true. That's true.
Do you think he stole the money?
You know, honestly, you're the one person I had my doubts about.
Whoa.
And I have to be honest.
That hurts.
I mean, did you steal the money?
No, I did not. And I'm a bad liar, so I didn't want to pretend in the beginning and then her think that I was lying to her.
Well, I believe him.
Okay. Bree?
I think these are some amazing human beings over here, just by the looks of you guys. I've heard y'all's story. I don't think anybody's why is more important. I think it's just a matter of who she connected with the most.
This is a tough decision. How do you decide?
Well, I think I go with least trustworthy to most trustworthy.
Here you go. So the person you're about to choose, you trust the least.
Correct. I have to pick you because you were the only person in the lineup that did not say flat out that they would not take the money. That being said, it's like $10,000. How many bulls can you get with that?
I have to remember, Allison's already won a lot of money. I didn't come to win second. I came to win first.
Reveal his decision.
Whoa!
You chose to steal the money from her?
Yeah, when I said, unless things change.
Dang.
That's crazy.
There would have been a world, if he was last remaining, he would have taken all 250 grand and you would have been here for nothing. But you sniffed it out.
Whoa! I'm like remembering everything and I'm like, wow. You played the game good, but I played the game great.
You did.
I'm gonna give you some time with the other four.
Before I knew everybody was gonna get money, but you were gonna win. So I was gonna make it your decision. If I could help them out more by giving them more money, 20K, 30K, and 40K, it's up to you which one you want. I trust you the most.
All right. Did you guys miss me? Oh, well, you didn't even say hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I've been waiting all day for that.
Yeah, I can tell. Bring in the $20,000.
Yeah!
Thanks, Nolan.
The person you're about to say, do you think they stole the money from you?
I honestly think they stole the money.
You think Bree stole the money from you? I don't know.
There's only one way to find out.
Yeah, why do you think it's me?
My biggest thing is I don't want to send Juan home and then see a red light. I want to make sure all the red lights are gone because if I send Juan home and see a red light, I'm going to be really upset.
You will have done this 30-day video for nothing. Bree, what do you want to say to her? She's calling you a we
She's calling me a liar. We gonna find out.
I know I made promises to her, but I feel like sometimes you gotta break the promise.
Okay.
That's a lot of money.
Bree decided to steal the money from you.
Bree, what about your tattoo?
Sticking to the promise I make myself and my family. That's what it really stands for. But I have to make it sound a little more interesting.
Saw that one coming.
Saw it coming, for sure. You felt it too!
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
There you go.
I ain't mad at it.
Everyone say goodbye to Bree.
Bye. Hold it down. It's been real.
And now 3 of you remain, one of which will split $250,000.
Can I hit it?
Oh. Whoa. Bring in the money, Nolan. What you say right now is very important because this could literally decide whether you go home with 30 grand, 125 grand, or 250 grand. I don't know what you guys chose.
Hopefully not 250 grand.
What do you want to say to Allison? This might be your last chance to talk to her one-on-one.
Promising and swearing doesn't mean anything. Everybody just lies. So, I mean, I feel like I did everything I can to make you trust me. I'm not a big beggar or like, you know what I'm saying? So, that's all I have. But I'm gonna be your friend either way.
What did you choose?
I hit green. I hit green. I could even say the reason why I hit green.
Tell us.
That camera. Yeah, but I took your word. I think you took mine, and karma comes back tenfold. So,
wow,
that's all I really care about.
That's a powerful sentence. If he means that, then that seems like a pretty honest sentence.
My gut is telling me that you did not steal.
It's a big decision, Allison.
It's a really big decision. And after what we've witnessed, it makes me a little uneasy still, because you never know what can happen. You never know what somebody's truly thinking. 250K! That being said, I still feel like I kind of have it figured out.
and I'm comfortable with what I'm about to do next, hoping that it's the right decision, and I really do think it is.
What is she about to do?
Juan.
No, Allison. No, Allison. No.
In your head, you think Juan didn't steal the money. You're still gonna eliminate him.
I am, and the reason I'm gonna eliminate Juan is because him and I both talked about it.
I'll be okay for me, whatever your number you give me. I'll be okay for me. I'll be okay. I happy with you.
He's set. He's good when he gets out of here.
Well, assuming he eats everything in the grocery store.
I know Juan. He's gonna eat everything in that grocery store. And now this is an act from Juan and I to help these two out more.
So you didn't even want to win. You wanted to give them the opportunity to win?
Yes, yes.
I don't know if I've ever had someone sacrifice themselves like Juan is doing right now.
No!
They're literally yelling in the grocery store. Okay. Reveal his results. Guys, the green light works. It works.
It worked. I was a little worried for a second.
Wait, why are you cheering? You just lost 125 grand potentially.
I really hope not. I really, really hope not. I think I make good judgment. So far, I haven't been wrong. And if I'm right, the next two lights will be green.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, there you go. Juan was an honest man.
Thank you,
Head back to
Juan.
the grocery store.
Bye, Juan.
I think you just played probably one of the best these games, to be honest with you.
How did I do that?
So different. I couldn't like speak it because she's here. She was so different. So different. And I could sense something was up. I'm like, why is she not being the same person? But you were the same person.
Yeah.
It's been over 24 hours and Allison still hasn't hit the button.
Well, I had time to sleep the night through, think about it a little bit more.
Guys, I have other videos to film. I didn't think this would take so long.
I will feel better going home knowing I took time to think about it and make a good decision.
Regardless of who Allison sends home next, there is still a chance she walks out of here with nothing. One of you is about to win $40,000, and one of you is about to win $125,000 to $250,000. But I'm curious, Sky, what do you think?
Looks pretty appealing.
She's saying she doesn't even want that.
Well, I didn't say that.
All right, well, we don't need this anymore. Flyers me.
Oh, the pliers again.
Oh boy.
Allison, if you choose wrong, it could cost you everything.
I was hoping there wasn't a wrong answer in the room.
I'm not gonna say anything.
There's no wrong answers, guys. There's no wrong answers. I thought long and hard about this. Obviously, we stayed a whole nother night in here because I didn't want to make the wrong choice. I wanted to make sure I was choosing wisely. And to be honest, I really think that both of these people will have a green light. So that made it a little more difficult. What do you do when you trust both of them? And
Okay.
Nolan, I was in the middle of talking.
Sorry.
I think there's a light bulb that you should change over there.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to pick the money?
No, you should just...
You've done enough.
I appreciate it. You're a great guy.
Bye.
Yeah. It's not... Yeah, right there. Thank you.
Trying to find the curtain spot.
Yeah. No, you're good. Anyways.
I'm
dying to know. I
know
want to
you
know
are.
who she's choosing. Go for it, Allison.
I gotta dig deeper. Hey, yo.
Just trying to remind myself what we're in it for.
It is a game about trust.
One step closer to 250K. Wait, 250.
Sorry, Bryce, but I have to choose her.
Oh my gosh. Before you say anything, do you want to see what he chose?
I do.
Be honest. What do you think he picked?
I think it's green. He wouldn't be here if I thought it was red because I would have had Juan here in his place.
So there's no world that this is about to be red.
There's no world.
Okay. Reveal the results.
So, guys, there is a world. And it's this one, the one we're living in right now.
dead, bro.
You're joking! Is that real? Okay, turn the green light on now.
No green light.
Wow. You owe Juan an apology.
That I do feel bad
no,
about.
actually, is this the part where he leaves?
Do you want him to leave?
Yeah.
$40,000 in cash. Bryce, you've been eliminated.
Thank you.
Yay, guys. Wow, it's over.
Well, I mean, there's a world where every contestant minus Juan chose to steal from you.
We'll see.
I'm scared.
Every single decision has been in Allison's hands. Every 5 days, she chose who to pair with. She chose who went home in what order. Allison has been in control this entire video. And it all led to this moment right here. Allison, when that curtain drops, if Sky's there and the money's there, you're splitting it.
Okay.
But if there's no Sky and no money, you're getting nothing.
Wow.
And you wasted this entire time. Do you think every single person besides Juan tried to steal from you?
I'm like really nervous after the last situation, but I still feel like she split the money.
We're about to find out.
I'm so scared.
All right. 3, 2, 1. You guys are splitting the money!
I was actually so scared. You're joking.
You are both going home with $125,000 in cash. Sometimes strangers are just friends you haven't met yet. Congratulations.